Hello, John Fickner with Rock the Top Resurfacing. We've been in business since 1990, and I want to show you in this video how we can transform an ugly pink, yellow, green, or blue bathroom into a beautiful 100% waterproof, inexpensive, and non-wasteful new surface. So you could go from this to no more pink, white sands on the wall, custom gray floor with an anti-skid texture, new toilet, new vanity tops. I mean, what's not to love? So this is a 3-day process. We're starting on Tuesday, we'll be out on Thursday, and you're done. You can use it on Friday. Toothbrush holder, no longer necessary. Soap dish, no longer necessary. These holes, we're gonna fiberglass them. Look at this beautiful 100% waterproof and anti-skid floor that you didn't throw in a landfill. So if you know anybody that has a yellow, pink, green, or blue bathroom and they love saving a lot of money, give us a jingle. Look us up on rockthetopresurfacing.com or check us out on Facebook.